Hello friends, welcome to my channel Terrace Gardening and Joyful Life English version. Today we are going to discuss about Areca Palm's complete care and also how I repotted it into ceramic pots. You can see I have purchased two ceramic pots and I have two Areca Palms. One is from almost 4 months, this big one is from nursery I have bought, and it is almost 4 feet tall, right? And you can see my garden in this. It was placed on that side where I have shown you recently, right? This is a big 12-inch pot, ceramic pot, and this one is almost 10-inch. Earlier I have kept that both small pot of 4-5 inch directly, that plastic pot, into the ceramic, and it was looking wonderful. But now as the plant is growing tall also and it want to increase breadth wise also, so it is demanding big pot, right, for its good growth. Here you can see I have taken equal parts of sand, garden soil, vermicompost and vermicompost. Instead I have taken compost and coco peat. So these things I have mixed here. Coco peat I have less, so hardly I have taken somewhat, right? So mostly I have taken 30% and 10% coco peat. Mix it equally, right? And this mixture is very good mixture. You can alter also little bit depending on the type of soil which you get in your area. If it is much muddy, then you can increase the sand percentage more. And if it is well drained soil, then add less amount of sand. Now see, I will take in this pot. There is a hole already prepared. In ceramic pots we cannot drill ourselves, otherwise there are chances to break. If you are drilling machine, then you can drill it nicely, but with hand you cannot create a small hole exactly as it comes from the company. Now see, this is the how it was looking earlier. I placed this earlier in like this way only. Now friends, what I will do, this is how we have to check first the size, means how much garden mixture you have to add in below the plant. It will give you rough judgment. Areca palms, please see the complete video. I am going to tell you many things which I have noticed in Areca palm, because one palm is there, is at my home since many years, that is on that side of the garden. So place one mud stone at the end. Areca palm require a very comfortable environment, friends. It's like humans only, as we humans don't like much heat, much cold, right? Normal quantity of water. Same way Areca palm also loves those sort of environment, right? If we don't like much hot, means if you are sitting outside, after some time you are irritated, same way the Areca palm also get irritated. So keep it in hot environment early in the morning only, in the full sunlight, then take it, right? It would love the environment in which we like, right? For example, if it's too cold, we don't like. I am talking about Indian environment. We don't love cold environment, so we come inside our house. We means try to avoid the cold environment. Same way we try to avoid the hot environment also. So Areca palm also in summer, if you will put in the hot heat, scorching heat, it all these leaves will start burning from the side, right? So keep it in a pleasant environment, cool environment. Only morning sunlight is essential. If that also it don't get, don't worry. It requires bright light, not necessary sunlight. Bright light means in your living room also, if it's ample sunlight coming, right, or indirect sunlight is coming, if there are many windows, then also it is a good for Areca palm. For example, in my room there are 4 big windows in my bedroom. On one side there is lot of space in which I put my plants, right? So they get enough sunlight, indirect sunlight, direct sunlight also they get in the morning. So plant remains happy, and when the plant remains happy, definitely it will increase water requirements also. Always pour water regularly in the Areca palm. Don't make it muddy. If it's well drained soil, the water goes easily come out from the hole below. Then see, look at this final touch. It looks so wonderful. I am going to put it on a stand. I will show you the place also where I put in the entrance of my bedroom. Right, it looks beautiful. Another mixture also I have prepared by pausing the video because that one is utilized almost. Same way I have prepared the mixture. Again put one stone. Mostly I put the mud stones only. Right. Now pour it a lot of soil. Right. After adding lot of garden mix, again check the size of the plant by putting the pot, your plastic pot. This one is little bit new. It is a small size. It is as I got from the nursery. Only the leaves are coming out. You can see the dry leaves also. That also I have not taken out. Right, because every day I was thinking I will plant tomorrow, but the tomorrow came today only. Right, when finally I transferred them into a big ceramic pot. Another thing about Areca Palm is, see, in this small pot of 5 inch, the plant has gone up to 4 feet height. Think about. You must be knowing about propagation of the Areca Palm also. Even it propagate laterally also on all sides. Right? After few 1 or 2 years, you can divide it from the between also. This part also you can divide easily. That video also I will put soon of my old Areca palm, not this. Right. Another way of propagation of Areca palm is there are big Areca palms if you see in certain places in garden, and they give seeds also in some months. Right. Big beans they fall near Areca palm tree in particular season. When if you get that all beans and take out that small pea like seeds, and if you grow you will get free, but the process is very long, friends. It take almost 1 year to get somewhat half size of this plant. So it's better to purchase from outside. This both pot I have got this Areca palm, I have got in just 150 rupees, right? Which it will take almost 1.5 years to get this size from seeds. So it is wastage of time, money, and everything. And what is the chances of success rate? Will you be able to manage all the conditions required for the growth of big plant from the small seeds? It is very difficult, right? So if you have lot of time, then definitely go for it. Get some seeds from nearest garden where Areca palms are there big size, and you get free of charge. Then only. Otherwise, if you get 200 rupees seeds, then it is useless. Then pour some water till it drains out. Areca palm also like little bit moist soil, not muddy. Otherwise, it will die. Right. Areca palm is also, I can say, a plant for a lazy gardener because it requires least attention. Daily just pour water. In once in month you can give NPK fertilizer. Dissolve 1 spoon in 1 liter and pour somewhat. Right. When you will pour somewhat in it, means almost 100-200 ml you can add monthly. Otherwise in 15 days 50 ml or 100 ml. And in the alternate 15 days or 1 month you can add vermicompost or compost. I am using compost, friend, because it is very cheaply available. The organic fertilizer which is available in nurseries at 10 rupees kg if you buy 50 kg at a time. So I have bought 50 kg at a time in 500 bucks. So it cost me around 9-10 rupees only per kg. It is very beautiful. Vermicompost, it will go up to 50 rupees to 100 rupees per kg. I have told that even many of my videos. So I use sometime only vermicompost. Yes, it is very costly and this is our hobby, no? So sometime to use that much money is not advisable. This all plants I have grown from the seeds, friends. It took just 2.5 months to give this all gazania. These are zinnia. Middle one was that 9 o'clock. Right? So thank you friends for watching my video. Please subscribe for the further updates and ask me questions if you have any in the comment box, and also suggest if you want anything more.